This is a boroscope. All right. And I wanted to have one of these forever. I just never had the extra ducats to get it. Okay. Now this company it's Testlong is the name of the company. And well, we'll just turn it on. And right now I got the cover on it. It's on. It's lit. You're looking at yourself. I'm looking at me. Just like that. So this is one of those tools I always wanted to have. All right. And the great thing about this one is it's pretty plug and play. I mean, I didn't have to charge it. Didn't have to charge it. It has menus. It has different options. You can Bluetooth it to your phone. So you can actually watch this information on your phone and record it if need be. Now here's what this is for me. This is all the years that I've been buying old trucks buying clunkers to build a good one out of, buy a bunch, but there's many times there's a motor involved. Okay. Motor, transmission, whatever. And you don't know the condition of that motor that's in that truck. Okay. This can fix that. I've got the Cadillac outside. I got to pull the plugs on it and check what the cylinder's like because it's been sitting for 38 years. This will give you the information you need up front without having to take things apart. I'm going to pull a spark plug off the hot rod and I'm going to show you what this can do, going through the valve cover, going through the spark plug. But like the options on this are incredible. But the main thing is the Bluetooth. The first one is that this is mechanical. It'll articulate mechanically. All you got to do is do it with this prompt right here. Straight up and down. And you can take a picture and download it. It's got mondo options on it. I mean, I can be happier with this thing. It's small. You could use this in your drains, in your hoses, is your engine blocks, cylinder heads, exhaust. Just when think about how many times you've had a situation come up where you wish you didn't have to take it apart to see what's wrong first. This can fix that. All right. So let me pull a plug and I'll show you what this thing can do because I've been playing with this for a couple of days and this is the most awesome thing. I've always wanted one of these. I'm happy. I'm a happy guy. Now I just want to give you a couple of examples of how you could use this. All right. So the first thing is inside the engine. So you can see what kind of condition it is in. That's kind of what you can do. And you can come down here into and you can look inside the piston. All right, if you're here and you're watching, check out unclebuckstuff.com for some merch. Like, share, subscribe, smash that button, hit that bell, tell your friends. Y'all be good. The actual ring. And you can check the composition on the piston itself. See if she's oiling, see if she's going good. This is dynamite information that you could use when you are buying something to run. And something like simple as this. See? You could because this is actually pretty small, you could slip it in and get a look inside a body panel. And you can articulate and see what it looks like on the inside. It's just got so many uses. The other thing I wanted to say, besides, if you like this, smash that like button down below, is that this company sent me that tool for free. I don't sign contracts. I am old school. I'm not going to get paid or get products just to fluff something up. Okay. Just to be a mouth, just a yes man for a company if their product is junk. Okay. my deal with all of these things, everything you've seen on this channel is, if you like your product, if you believe in your product, send it to me. I'll test it. And if I like it, I'll make you a nice video. Okay. And there's no deals made. I don't give you information that I don't believe in myself. Okay. And that's one thing you got to respect, that with a company like this that'll send that product, is that they're just sending it for me to make a video. Good or bad, me to make a video. They prefer good, but I don't get any pretenses on whether or not I'm going to say their product is good if it's junk. I just don't. That's just the way it is. And I get a lot of people reaching out to me, and a lot of them never message me back when I tell them that. And those are the ones that I don't buy on Amazon or eBay or whatever. The companies that don't stand up for their products, they want a guarantee that no matter how bad the product is, that it's going to work. Those are the ones I don't buy when they don't talk back to me. And then when they shut down, this ain't how we do business. Well, that ain't how I do business. So I hope you guys can trust me that whenever I put a product out there that I am telling you is a good product, that it is genuinely, I've tried it and it's a good product. Y'all be good. It just got so many uses. You could use it in your pipes at home. You could use it. You can look in your ears. You can look. I don't suggest sticking this anywhere, because those little lights, they get a little warm. You know, I mean, I just felt that with my fingertip, because the little LED lights, they do get a little warm. So I wouldn't suggest using this, or in your ear or whatever. But I mean, anything that you would like to look at before you tear it apart, like yourself, or the camera, or yourself. Anything that you would want to look at, want to check without having to tear it apart. This is dynamite information you can't get any other way besides tearing it apart. And if I'd had this over the years, I'd been thousands of dollars ahead. Okay. This is dynamite, and this old guy can run this thing and figure it out and understand it. Anybody can. Okay. I mean, the uses on this are endless when it comes to diagnosing things. A knock, foul spark plugs, whatever it is, a plug in a hose, a plug in a fuel system, exhaust systems. I mean, this has actually, I'm 6 foot tall, and this is span to span. So this is at least 5 foot long. So if you think you got a restriction in your tailpipe, and this will reach long enough, it'll go right up that tailpipe and tell you if you got a catalytic converter that stopped up. It's just, the options are endless for diagnostic. I've just so wanted one of these for so long, but never had the ducats to get one. And I can't be more happy with this company. I thank you guys very much for this. Thanks for watching. Like I said, check it out. There'll be a link down below. I'll be using this a lot in the future. And every one of the videos I use it in, there'll be a link. And so y'all have a great day, because great day today could be a new, always wanted tool in the morning. Y'all be good.